Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to recover Discord account on mobile. First of all, you can open the Discord application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see this type of interface because you have lost your account. So you can just simply now tap on login. And here, if you remember your password, you can just simply enter the email or phone number or enter the password. And now you can tap on login. And after this, the account is recovered. And if you do not remember the password, you can just simply tap on the forgot your password. You can first enter your email, and after this you can now tap on forgot your password, and now you can tap on OK. And here you can just simply click on the link that the Discord app is sent to your email. Now you can tap on reset password, and now you can just simply go to the different browsers. You can use any browser that you want. I can use Chrome. And after this you can just simply enter a new password. After entering the new password, you can now tap on change password, and this is the way you can recover your Discord account on mobile. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Code questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.